Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, a bold new era for smartwatches. Garmin looks ready to take things up a notch with what could be its most powerful smartwatch yet, the Fenix 8 Pro. While nothing is officially confirmed, recent leaks and insider reports suggest this device is going to make serious waves in the world of fitness wearables. A smarter, sleeker design for starters, Garmin is giving users more choices. The Fenix 8 Pro is expected to arrive into sizes 47mm and 51mm, catering to both slim and large wrists. The watch itself is said to sport a more refined look, without compromising the rugged, adventure-ready build that the Fenix line is known for. Whether you're scaling a mountain or heading into a meeting, this new design aims to fit all lifestyles. Next-level display tech. A key highlight is a rumored micro display, a huge leap forward in screen technology. Brighter, more vibrant, and more energy efficient, it should be crystal clear even in direct sunlight. That's a big win for anyone who spends time outdoors and doesn't want to squint to read their watch. Improved GPS accuracy navigation is also getting a serious upgrade. The Fenix 8 Pro is expected to support multi-band GPS, using multiple satellite systems to lock in your location faster and more accurately, even in tough environments like canyons, forests, or cities. Solar charging and smarter battery life. In terms of battery life, Garmin is doubling down. Not only will this watch come with solar charging to keep it going longer during extended adventures, but it's also rumored to include a smart power manager. This feature can automatically adjust settings like screen brightness and sensor activity to help the battery last even longer. Better health and fitness tracking. Garmin isn't just focusing on outdoor features. Expect upgraded heart rate sensors, more accurate VO to max data, improved sleep insights, and even real-time stress tracking. Whether you're training hard or tracking recovery, the Fenix 8 Pro aims to be your full-time health companion. Built-in music and enhanced connectivity. Music lovers, rejoice, you'll be able to store playlists directly on the watch, so there's no need to bring your phone along for a run or ride. Faster wireless syncing and tighter integration with the Garmin Connect app will make it easier to view and manage your stats. Safety features. For peace of mind, safety gets a boost as well. Features like incident detection and emergency location sharing are expected to be more reliable, giving users and their loved ones extra peace of mind during solo outings or remote trips. Premium build with personal style. Expect more luxury materials this time around. Garmin may offer versions of the Fenix 8 Pro with titanium bezels or premium metal finishes. And with new interchangeable bands, switching between workout mode and work mode could be as easy as swapping straps. Is the Fenix 8 Pro right for you? This isn't a casual smartwatch. It's designed for runners, climbers, cyclists, hikers, triathletes, anyone who wants deep performance insights and all-day durability. If you're serious about training, exploring, or just want the best wearable tech Garmin offers, the Fenix 8 Pro should be on your radar. But if you don't need all the high-end outdoor features, Garmin's Forerunner or Venus series might be a better fit, lighter on both your wrist and your wallet.